Choco. Look at the sky. Oh my goodness. All lake is frozen, but we start walking. I wanna cross and start kind of making noise, so we came back. But Choco passed on the other side. He's lighter. Go, puppy, go! Hey, what you? It's definitely warmer day than yesterday. 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like -5 in Celsius maybe. But it's windy. No, no, no. Yeah, let's go that way. Oh. So happy. But the snow is like, it's hard to walk. Wow. Here somebody make for skating. Clean the snow for skating. Yeah, they were going with the skates. Yeah, they make skating ring. It's beautiful day. A little cold, but it's winter. View is beautiful. Choco. It's getting really chilly. Papi, stay. Yeah, you stay. Let's go now. More people came. Beautiful sky.